Hello everybody, welcome to another Poverty Hill Adventures video. As you can see, it's raining out, but I have had the itch to go out and just take a hike, take a walk in the woods. With the snow being gone temporarily, I thought it might be a good opportunity to take a walk without the snowshoes and see if I could find some shed antlers and just kind of check things out. I guess I got a little case of cabin fever. So if you have a little case of cabin fever and you want to take a hike in the rain out in the woods, come on along. The older I get, the more a hiking stick I like. And there's plenty of sticks around here laying around. So if you want to grab your own hiking stick, go ahead and then we'll get started. I think what we'll do is we'll follow a deer trail down to where the deer cross a small creek, and there's a creek bank that they jump up on, and perhaps there might be a shed antler laying there from a buck that jumped up on the bank and lost his antler. The deer have definitely been using this crossing here, but unfortunately I don't see any antlers, but we'll keep looking. What a pretty spot down here by this little creek is. All big mature hemlocks and a nice spring-fed creek here. Just a beautiful, beautiful spot. We'll keep following this deer trail for a bit, and maybe we'll get lucky and find an antler. It's a little early in the year for them to be dropping their antlers. However, our friend Dino did say that he found a fresh shed just the other day over at Bone Creek, so I think it's a good day to look, and regardless of whether we find any, it'll be a nice day to take a walk in the woods. Check up here. This is that narrow pinch point where I always have game and deer and all sorts of critters on the trail camera up here. So it's a narrow ridge and it's kind of a natural funnel for the deer. So let's take a look up here. ground is littered with all these little snippets of hemlock. I don't know if maybe the red squirrels are feeding on them. I don't know, but the ground is just covered in little ends of hemlock branches. Up here is the spot I was talking about, and it's a narrow strip, and the game tends to walk this ridge. On one side there's a steep ravine in the creek, and on this side there's another steep ravine, so kind of funnels the deer through here. So let's take a look and see if we can find any sheds up here. Got one more spot to check. It's a little bit of a walk there, but down in some thick stuff. And let's take a look there. And if we don't find anything there, I got a couple of sandwiches. We'll stop and have a sandwich. Hopefully you like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, because that's what I got. I thought maybe we'd find one here. This little hemlock tree was getting used quite a bit by bucks visiting it to rub their antlers and leave some scent, but I do not see any antlers here. We'll keep looking for a little bit. Well, it looks like we're gonna go home empty-handed. That we didn't find any sheds, at least yet. But it was a nice morning, and on the positive side, I didn't find any dead deer. So looks like the deer are doing okay for themselves this year. So what do you say we go have that sandwich and call it a morning? I've got a sandwich for you, and I'd like to thank everybody for coming along today. Thank you for stopping by the channel and watching the videos. Until next time, everybody, take care. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep on trucking.